So our focus is really in three areas. One is interactive, high involvement presentations. Another is local and distributed visual collaboration. And then the third area is real-time situational awareness. And really what Mezzanine and what Oblong is all about is in creating new digital workspaces for people to actually interact with their content and their data in new and exciting ways. So the good news about what we do at Oblong is that we get to focus on the fun stuff, which is really the data visibility and the visualization of the data and the content, right? The government has a tremendous amount of work to do relative to sorting through their data ownership issues, data stewardship issues. We get to have the fun part of actually allowing them to visualize that data. Right, so we're really at the surface level, and that's what gives them that situational awareness, the ability to be able to extract insight and intelligence out of their data stores. They already have the data, we just allow them to visualize it in new and exciting ways. Major hurdle right at the moment seems to be around data ownership issues. People are really struggling with that data ownership piece of it, right? The government's putting into place chief data officers and chief data architects and figuring out how to manipulate or how to actually work with data scientists, right? And we're not in that space, right? We're at a level above that. We're at that visualization aspect of it. But that's probably the biggest impediment, is breaking through that, because there's a lot of work that needs to be done at the data layer. We're very excited at the number of use cases that are being made available, right? Mezzanine is a horizontal application environment that allows you to visualize any application content known to man, as long as it can be displayed on some sort of a device like a laptop, an iPad, a tablet, a smartphone. It can be displayed in the Mezzanine system. And as such, right, there are many, many different applications. So the applications currently, the use cases range from training and education, distance learning, to transforming work processes relative to help desk, to cyber analysis, software development, contract compliance and contract management, and even program status. So there's just a wealth of different ways to actually use our solution within the government. Now, the single takeaway here is that we can deliver this real-time situational awareness platform that's completely application agnostic and device independent, with absolutely zero integration services. So there is no middleware, there's no infrastructure, there's no plumbing, there's no connecting the dots to make all this data appear together so that you can see this and get a situational awareness picture. We only offer one type of service, and that's an installation service. And that's a week long, and that's it. So there is no extended integration services required. And we all know how much money that the government has spent on integration services, time and time and time again, for every single project.